Discipline, the bridge between goal and accomplishment. Yes, you have guessed it right. Today, my video will be based on discipline or a part of discipline. But why discipline? Why is it so important when it comes to child? So, before getting into it, let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Tanishta, child psychologist, therapist, interventionist, and welcome you to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click the bell icon to get further notification. Without wasting much time, let me take a take on this chapter, which is very important and very interesting when it comes to parenting. Child discipline. Child discipline is the method used to prevent future behavioral problem in children. We teach our child, we show our child what are the values of our family, what are the education to be taken, what are the culture we are living in. So everything is taught with the help of discipline. Discipline is used by parents to teach their children about expectation, about guidance and the principles. What are the attributes of parenting when it comes to discipline? Self-control, respect for legitimate authority, self-motivation, and discipline making process. But why discipline is so important? If you see the research on discipline shows that discipline creates good student, not only good student, lifelong learner. Not only lifelong learner, more intelligent student, more motivated student, highly self-disciplined. So that's why discipline are important, because it helps a kid to adopt good choices in life, as well as it helps them to solve problem in their life and to control impulses and self-regulation skills. Discipline is very important when it comes to parenting. In today's world, it's really easy to get books on discipline. But is it that easy to implement that in your life? You can get a book, you can go through it, but is it possible for you to implement all those things in your family, in your child? If you take my word, no, it's not easy. Book can give you knowledge, book can give you strategy, book can guide you, book can train you, but you are the best teacher. You can observe your child, you know your child best. An expert doesn't agree that going through a book can discipline your child much better than the way you can do it. Determining what type of discipline will be suitable for your family is completely based on your temperament, your child's temperament, your family's temperament, and the philosophies of your family. So you can take different type of discipline. 1 spoon of positive discipline, 1 spoon of some other discipline, another spoon of some other discipline. Stir it and you can make a beautiful, delicious dish which can help your child to adopt. You observe your child, you are the parents, you observe your child, you know what is best for your child, how your child is going to learn. No book can teach it. So, this isn't a single type of discipline that will work for all kids or for all family and in every situation. It's likely that you might take extensive approach where you use a very few different techniques from each type of discipline. It can also be said that our discipline strategy is a tailor-made strategy. So, let me get into positive discipline. What is positive discipline? So, positive discipline is based on praise and encouragement, where punishment are not encouraged or punishment are not in focus. Parents keep making discipline about teaching. Parents teach problem-solving skill and work with their child to develop solution. Positive discipline uses family meeting and an authoritative approach to addressing behavior problem. For example, a child at the age of 5 year or 6 year is not willing to do homework, but in his next class or tomorrow they have to submit the homework. Now what to do? Your child is not willing, but that is important. What you will do in this situation? Spanking, punishment, taking away privileges? No, none of the above. But when we implement positive discipline, it's completely on communication. Let us talk with our kid. Suppose you talk to your kid. You have a homework in maths. You have to complete it. You have to submit it tomorrow. And you are not willing. So your son must be saying, no, mom, I'm not willing to do it. I don't want to do. I will not do. You have to tell him. You have to talk to him. Their communication plays really an important part. Showing the scenario that if you do it, you can escape punishment. If you don't do, you can get into trouble. So please tell me how to get out of it. After listening what you said, and it should be a very calm and quiet discussion. Sit down in front of your child. Take all his attention on you and then start your conversation. Then your child might say that, okay mom, let us do one thing. Let me play for half an hour and then I will get into this homework and I will finish it. You have to help me. Or after finishing my dinner, I will sit and finish the homework. Or after watching TV, I will sit and finish the homework. Whatever is the thing, it should come out in a peaceful environment and with a very positive approach. So here you are giving opportunity to your child to think. You are not imposing your ideas on your child. Okay, now close the TV or just finish your playing and you need to sit and finish your homework. No authority. This is just based on discussion, a cool and calm discussion where you can find out whether your child will be able to do it. And you will see they understand. Like in my previous video, I have told you that it's really very important for you to understand that whether your child is communicating with you or not, or your child is is understanding what you are saying. Because we think that he's 5 year old, he's 6 year old, and it's not possible for him to understand. But when you discuss anything with your child really understands it very well. So this was all about positive parenting or positive discipline. So here where I'm ending my video, I have a request to you. Please implement this with your child and see how positive it comes out. Because all these are very much scientific and it really helped a lot. And before finishing, please subscribe, like and share my videos. Click the bell icon for further notification. And I will be coming with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.